In this video, we are going to see how you can make your presentation attractive in just a few minutes. So, let's start. Go to Insert, click on Video. Here I have downloaded the video from Google. Select it and insert it. Go to Insert and select Rectangle from Shape. Drag it. Go back to Insert. Select Wave. Go to Rotate. Select Rotate Left 19. Select both. Go to Merge Shape and select Union. Go back to Insert. Select Text Box. Write Forest here. Select and pick a new font for your text. Make it bold. Increase the size. Center your content. Go to Character Spacing. Select Loose. Go back to Insert. Select Text Box. Right here, the death of the forest is the end of our life. Select and pick a new font for your text. Go to Character Spacing. Select Very Loose. Increase the size. Center your content. Select and change the color. First select rectangle, next select text box. Go to Merge Shape and select Combine. Go to Shape Fill and select Color. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Select Video. Go to Playback and select Automatically. Now click on Slideshow. So see friends, our slide looks very beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.